Hello and welcome back to AI Mystery Hub. Forget about paying these expensive AI models. I have found one free AI that can generate your videos, your images, your image to videos completely free with no watermark. But at the end of video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can remove the watermark, not the previous method of selecting the area and removing because that's not the actual method. But there is a proper way we can remove the watermark and it's completely free and we can generate a lot of videos from it. So don't miss a single step in this video. Let's move towards the screen. So the website I am talking about is Meta AI. Just search it and enter this website. Here you can see it has a feature of image and video. So let's try the image model first. I have this prompt. Let me just copy it and paste it here, and let's see the results of Meta AI image model. So after a few seconds you can see you will have images, four different types. So you can select the one which you think very good. I have selected this one. So we will generate video from this image. So here you can see the animate, you can tap on it, and I have this prompt. Let me paste it and run, and within few seconds, like around 30 seconds, your video will be ready. And you can see the results are really great. So but the issue is when we download it, and I can see that I have a Meta AI logo on the top right corner and the below left corner. So that's the issue. So we can remove this logo using technical method. So let me show you how. Just tap a right click on it and you can see the inspect button, and after that you can tap on this button, and after that tap on the video, and it will select the element. So you just need to copy that element. Right click on it, and here you can see copy and copy element, and go to ChatGPT and type here mp4 URL and paste that link, that element you have copied from the video, and it will generate a link for you. So you need to copy that link and paste it in another tab. After pasting in another tab, the video will automatically play and you can download it here, tapping on the three dots. So the results you can see, the watermark is now removed, and that's a technical method of removing watermark. Before that you can see I have this video and we have watermark here. So I hope you like this video, and this is a secret method no one is talking about, and I am daily posting these type of content on AI video generation models and AI tools and different AI tutorials. So make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all of my videos. See you.